Hello friends, welcome all of you to our channel Digital Literacy Academy. Come into the world of science and technology. Today in this video we will know what is Google Translate. Interesting facts about Google Translate. Then we will know how to use Google Translate. And after that, know how you can earn money from Google Translate. So let's start. Actually, Google Translate is an online service, which is provided for free by Google. With its help, you can translate words, sentences, or web pages of any language into the language of your choice. To use Google Translate, all you need to do is open the Google Translate website or app on your phone or computer. Now select the language in which you want to translate. You can also translate text, images, documents, websites, etc. Google Translate can instantly translate words, phrases, and web pages between English and over 100 other languages. This service is free, and you do not need to create an account to use it. Let us now know some interesting facts about Google Translate. Google Translate was launched in 2006. At that time, it supported only English and Arabic languages. It now supports 103 languages, including English and Arabic. And it is used by more than 500 million people. Google Translate's most popular translations are between English, Spanish, Arabic, Portuguese, and Indonesian. Google Translate is a type of artificial intelligence, i.e. AI. It uses statistical machine translation, SMT. You will be surprised to know that Google Translate translates more than 100 billion words a day. This is equivalent to approximately 1,28,000 Bibles. Google Translate can also be used offline. You just have to download the Android app. And it can translate into about 90 different languages on a smartphone, without using data. Apart from Google Translate, Google has also created another app, WordLens, which can translate the words visible in the pictures. Let us now know how to use Google Translate. There are a few things you should keep in mind while using Google Translate. Google Translate is a machine translation service who tries to understand the text given by you, and also provides the best translation of the given text. However, Google Translate's translation may not always be correct or complete. Sometimes you may find errors, inconsistencies, or abuses in the translation. Therefore, you should not take Google Translate's translation as the final truth. And you should use your intelligence and understanding. You should also take care of your privacy while using Google Translate. Now let us know how to translate words in Google Translate. Simply open Google Translate in your browser to start translating text. The text you want to translate can then be copied from any source or typed directly into the field provided. In the first text box, you have the option to choose the language of the copied text. You can listen to the pasted text by selecting Listen option. Selecting a language is done by selecting the Available Languages button. Let us now know the things to keep in mind while using Google Translate. Relying on Google Translate for discussions requires a certain degree of caution, because the translator can sometimes change the meaning and interpretation of the text. Therefore, subtlety and awareness of linguistics are necessary. Let us now know how you can earn money from Google Translate. Is this really possible? There are two main ways to make money with Google Translate: by working as a freelance translator, by developing apps or software related to Google Translate. If you are a techie, you can earn money by developing apps or software related to Google Translate. For example, you can create an app that translates text in real time using Google Translate. Or, you can create a software tool that translates documents or websites using Google Translate. To develop an app or software related to Google Translate, you will need the skills and experience. We hope you liked this video. If you want a video on any other topic or you have any question or suggestion, so you can ask in the comment box. Subscribe to our channel and like this video, so that you can get notifications of upcoming videos full of similar information. See you soon with a new video. Thank you, have a nice day.